Hello everyone, I'm Stephen Engasser from eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. If you're new to my channel, I'm all about teaching you everything you need to know about South Florida and its real estate that you can't find in the listing. And today, I'm listing this property here. We're gonna go inside and do a walkthrough tour. So pretend you're standing right next to me and I walk you through. That's how I'm gonna show the property. I'm gonna go right through the front door and walk right through the condo, just as if I was showing you the property and you were with me in person. So let's go inside and go take a look. And before we do that, I just want to show you real quick. See this empty spot right here? And right there, that parking spot, that is your parking spot for this property here in Kings Point in Delray Beach, Florida. Let's go inside. All right, now we're inside this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa here in Kings Point. And this property has a new roof as of 2021, new water heater, and a new AC system. Here's your eat-in kitchen, little dining area, nice sized kitchen. Here's the living room again. And we'll walk down the hallway. And you have the whole bathroom right here. And then the guest room. All tile floor again. It leads right outside. If you like this video, give me a like, comment, tell me what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to see other videos. So you got a laundry outside, and it's you have windows here, plastic windows, so in the wintertime if you wanted to close it and stay warm in here, you could. So this is the second bedroom. So now we'll walk through here. Here's your master bathroom, and if I could find the light switch. Where did the light switch go? Here we go. There we go. Hey, and there I am, Stephen Engasser. So right around the bend here you have a shower, and then we'll walk straight into the master bedroom. Master bedroom. It also has a walk-in closet. Let's see here, there we go. So you got plenty of space. Here's the master bedroom. And then we'll walk right back out into the living room area. Very nice property. If you're interested in this property, give me a call. I'm Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. As you can see, there are many amenities like barbecue and a grill area by the lake, a computer room. You have a wood shop, workbenches. There's even indoor swimming pools, several of them. There's the other one. And a community bus to take you around town. You have, of course, shuffleboard and tennis courts. Here's the inside of the clubhouse, the main lobby. A grill area on the outside by the pool. And here's the other pool. I'm Stephen Engasser from eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. Give me a call at 954-551-1987.